Hey everybody, you know who it is. It's the Banjo Man. What I have built here, this is a black fly larva contraption. The black flies will fly into this. This goes through. I'll show you. And this is the other side. They'll lay larvae in here. And these, okay, they'll come through here. All right. That's all nice and sturdy. And what you have inside, as everything comes down to this T, is two troughs for them to walk up. They will walk right up here, come out to the T, and drop down into the pan for the chickens to devour. So this is a self-feeder to supplement, what do you call it, protein. And I built a nice stand out of the extra ply. This is scrap 2x4s from pallets, and it's sturdy as all. So it's going to go up into the big chicken coop. Well, this is another project by the Banjo Man. Subscribe and like. If you want more details, give me a shout out. I need the comments and everything. Please subscribe and like the video. Bye-bye.